Good morning.
Hello.
Yes, good morning.
Yeah, very good morning, guys. Let me share my screen. Able to see my screen, guys?
Yes.
Yeah, cool. So today we are going to discuss about the last topic in data types. So the last topics in data type and as well as the last topic in non-primitive data types. Guys, just a second. 1 second, guys. So that is nothing but a strings. So let me write down the string first of all. So strings. So we are going to discuss about strings today. Yes. First of all, so we'll see what is string, what are the different types of strings are available in Java and how to use string. And apart from that, so I will cover all the methods that we have in string. So first of all, what is a string? String is a collection of characters. So by using character data type, we have only mentioned a single character, right? We have only mentioned or we have only defined or we have only initialized single character to the respective character variable, right? But by using string, we can create a collection of characters. So string is a collection of characters, guys. String is a collection of characters. So here, let me show you the example. So here it is the example. So we need to use a keyword called a string. Later on, we need to use a variable name equal to. So here you need to provide the value, and the value should be in double quotes. And the value should be in double quotes, guys. So here in this double quotes, you need to provide the respective value. You need to provide the respective value. So here a string. So we are using a string, and this is the variable name. And here we need to provide the value in the form of double quotes. A string is a collection of characters. String is a collection of characters, and we can use string as a data type as well as a class, same like arrays. Let me add that point as well. So here we can use string as a variable as well as a object. I'll show you both the ways, guys. We can use string as a variable as well as an object. So this is nothing but a variable. So here we are using string keyword. Later on we are using variable name. Later on we are using value. So string is a collection of characters, and we can use string as a variable as well as an object as well. So object as well. And the next thing is here also string also follows index order, and the index starts from a 0. So here also string also follows index order, and the index starts from 0, guys. Same like arrays, here also string also follows order, and here also it will start the first character with index 0. And in strings also we have a length method, guys. And strings also we have length method. So length method is used get the character count, to get the character count from the string object or a string variable or a string variable. So length method is used to get the character count from the string object or string variable, guys. String is a collection of object and we can use string as a class or a variable, means object as a variable. Strings also follows index order, same like arrays. And the index starts from 0. And here we have length method, guys. It is used to get the character count from the string object or string variable, guys. And in Java, we have two types of strings are available in Java. First one is a string literal. It is nothing but variable, guys. String literal. So here it is nothing but variable. And the next thing is string using new keyword. It is nothing but object, guys. It is nothing but object. So here in Java, we have two types of strings are available in Java, and it is an interview question, guys. We have a string literal and a string using new keyword. So what is the difference between string literal and string using new keyword? The main difference is, see here, observe carefully. String literal is a variable, guys. String literal, it is a variable. See here, I am creating more than one variable with the same value, guys. Observe carefully. String course equal to, so testing. String course equal to testing. Observe carefully, guys. String course name. See here, string course name equal to testing. Observe carefully, guys. I'm creating more than one variable with the same value. And observe carefully, guys. And string name equal to testing. Observe carefully. So the next one is string course type equal to testing. How many variables I have, guys? Do I have only one variable or do I have multiple variables? We have multiple variables, right? Are you able to see here, Course is one variable, course name is one variable, name is one variable, and the course type is another variable. I have 4 variables with the same value, right? Testing, 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 testing. Are you able to see, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
So here I have 4 variables with the same value. I have 4 variables with the same value. So here, how it will behave, how the memory will behave, how the compiler will behave. So once we execute this type of code, the compiler verify the testing value in the Java virtual machine. Compiler verify the testing value in the JVM, Java virtual machine. If testing value is available, it will return that particular memory, that particular variable memory. For example, so compiler is verifying testing in the JVM. Compiler is unable to find out this particular variable name. Compiler is unable to find out this particular word in the JVM. At the time, it will create one memory. It will create one memory, guys. This is nothing but memory, because memory is in the form of hexadecimal numbers. So for the first time, if we execute and if the respective variable is not available in the JVM at the time, so at the time compiler will create memory in the backend. So for the next time, so from next time onwards, if any variable contains the same value at the time, it will not create memory for the variables which contains the same value. It will provide the memory reference of the previous variable, guys. It will provide the memory address of the previous variable. So this is nothing but string literal. So in string literal, if we have more than one variable with having the same value, at the time the compiler will not create memory for each and every variable. It will create memory for the first variable, and it will provide the same memory address or memory reference it will provide the same memory reference to the remaining variables which is having same value, guys. Are you able to understand, everyone? Are you able to understand, guys? Why you are silent? Is it clear or not?
Yes, clear.
Yes. And the next thing is a string using a new keyword. String using new keyword, guys. So here I'm creating a string variable, I'm creating a string object, not a variable, guys. See here, I'm using new keyword. By using new keyword, I'm creating a string object, not a variable, guys. If I use new keyword means if we are using new keyword means we are creating object. Not the variable. So here, observe carefully, guys. So I'm creating 4 variables. So I'm going to create 4 variables now with the same value. So do we have same value or not, guys, on the 4 variables? We have a same value on the 4 variables, right? So at this time, how compiler will verify? At this time, how Java virtual machine will verify this one. So if you create variable at the time only, it will provide the reference now. But if you create object each and every time, it will create a new memory address, guys. If the value is already present in the memory as well, it will not provide that memory reference to the respective variable, to the respective object, guys. It will create new memory each and every time for each and every object. If the value is duplicate as well, if the value is already in memory as well, so it will not provide the memory reference to the respective variable. Each and every time it will create a new memory address in the memory, and it will provide the memory to the respective address. Because we are using new means new is nothing but creating memory in the backend. If you use new keyword every time, it will create memory in the backend if value is available in Java virtual machine as well. So literal means if you have any variable which contains the same value, so for the first time only compiler will create the memory. From second time onwards, it will provide the same memory to the variable which contains the same value. But string using object means, so here it will not provide the same memory address, even the value provided in the memory. Each and every time it will create new memory address and it will provide the same memory to the respective string object, guys. Are you able to understand? Very, very, very important interview question, guys.
Himaja, if you don't mind, can you repeat for object, string object?
Yes. So normally for variables, how it is working? So if any variable contains the respective testing value, if testing value is available in the memory, so each and every time, so it is providing the same memory to the respective variables, to another variables which contains value, same value, right? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
But here using new keyword, new is nothing but creating memory. New means creating memory freshly. So here, if we use new keyword, and here I have 4 variables with the same value, right? With testing only. But creating object means creating new memory every time. Remember this point. Create new means we are creating new memory every time. Even see here, I have testing variable, I have testing value, not variable, guys. I have testing value in my memory, but the compiler will not provide the memory address to the objects which contains new keyword. See here, this is the first time that I have created object For this one, it will create one memory. So for second time, it will create another memory. For third time, it will create another memory. For fourth time, it will create another memory, because each and every time it will create new memory for the object, because we are using new keyword. Understand?
Yes, Yajman.
Yes.
Thank you.
So new is nothing but creating new memory in the backend, even the value is available in the memory or not. So it will not verify the memory reference, guys. It will automatically create memory. It will automatically create memory in the JVM, because we are using new keyword. I hope it is clear for everyone. Right? Yes. So now we are going to start coding, guys. I'm going to cover more than 20 methods now. So if you have any questions as of now, you can ask, guys. Otherwise, we'll go to coding. No questions? Is everything clear? Everyone? Sridhar, Shobhan?
Yes, clear. Yajman.
Yeah, cool. So I'm going to create multiple classes, guys, because I'm going to cover more than 20 plus methods. So new class. The first class is string methods part 1. String methods part 1. So now the methods is common for object and variable, guys. So for object and variables, methods is common, but we can create string as an object or string as a variable, guys. So here I'm going to create one string, guys. Are you able to see string here, ma? Is it a class or is it a data type, guys? It is a class, right? Are you able to see, ma? The class. Are you able to see here? See here, ma, the string class represent character strings. All string literals in Java are implemented an instance. See, are you able to see here, guys? The two types, string equal to ABC, string str equal to new string of data. Are you able to see?
Yes.
So string is a class, ma. So I'm going to create string here, and same course I'm using here, ma. Course equal to, see here, ma. So automation testing. So here, this is my string, guys. You can create string with spaces, with null values, with everything, ma, with everything. So this is nothing but a string variable, guys. So let me add this one as well. String variable or string literal. So string variable or string literal. So now I'm moving to methods, guys. So we have get method in strings. What get method will do? So get method will get the character based on the index value, guys. Based on the index values, same like so same like a collections concept. In collections also we have get method, guys. Here also we have get method. So let me show you that one more. See here, guys. Course dot get of course dot. So observe carefully, guys. So character at of index. So character at of. So this particular method is used to get the character. So from this particular string, guys. So character at, see here, ma. This value returns the character based on the index, guys. So here I am passing index 6. What is the output, ma? What is the output of character at 6? Index 6, guys. What is the character that we have in index 6, ma? What is the character that we have in index 6? Here also index is starting from 0, guys. What is the character that we have in 6th index? See here, ma, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the character that we have at index 6, ma? Is it A or T? T, right? So now I'm going to copy this one, guys. See here, ma, T. And now Observe carefully, guys. What is the character that we have in 10? It is an interview question, guys. What is the character that we have at index 10? Is it T or space? Is it space or T?
Space also is countable.
Sorry?
We can have to count the space or
Yes, it will count space as well. So this is character at 10 is nothing but space. Must see here, guys. Are you able to see, ma? So character at 10, so this is nothing but space, guys. So that is the reason it is not displaying. So here, let me add character at here so that you can able to see the output as well. So that you can able to see the output as well, ma. See here, are you able to see any value at character at, ma? Because so here, character 10 is nothing but space, guys. Remember this point. So here, it will count space as well. So if you have two spaces in between, so for example, so how many characters that I have in this particular string? So normally characters means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So only 17 alphabets we have, but we have two spaces as well. So it will count these two spaces as well. It will count this one space as well. So here it will count the space as well. So how many characters we have? How many characters? What is the length of our string variable here, guys? The length of our string variable is 18. So let me show you that one, guys. Observe carefully, ma. String variable length is, so here string variable length is, must see here, I'm going to use length method. What is the variable length? I mean, what is the character length of the string variable, ma? Is it 17 or 18?
18.
Because it will consider space as a single character. It will consider space as a single character. And character at method, this method is used to get the character based on the index. Same like this, we have index method as well. So we have index method as well. Let me show you index method, ma. So character, so index method. See here, index method. So here by using this index method, by using this index of method, so what we are going to return, so here we need to pass the character, it will return the index of particular character. So what is the index of this character, guys? What is the index of character, Tima? Is it 10 or 11?
11.
What is the index of small a here, guys? Is it 0 or is it 5?
5 now.
So here, run as Java application. Are you able to see, ma? Index of T is 11 and index of A is 5. Are you able to see the output?
Yeah.
Yes.
So see here, if your variable, so character at means it will return the character based on the index. Index of means it will return the index based on the character, just vice versa. Just vice versa, guys. Next method is two lowercase method. So what is the purpose of two lowercase method? It will convert our string into lowercase. Our string into lowercase, guys. Lowercase means small letters. Lowercase means small letters, guys. If you want to convert your string into lowercase, at the time we can use lowercase method. At the time we can use lowercase method, guys. Are you able to see? Each and every character is in lowercase, is in small letters. Are you able to observe here? Are you able to see or not, guys? But here, our string is in capital is in the combination of capital and small letters, right? A is capital letter, T is capital letter. But now we have modified everything to lowercase. Apart from this, we have two uppercase method as well. No? So this two uppercase method will convert all our string characters to capital letters, guys. Let me show you. Are you able to see the output? All the characters in capital letters.
Yes.
So two lowercase method is used to convert our characters in string to lowercase characters, means small letters. So uppercase means it will convert each and every character into capital letters, into capital letters. So if you have any questions as of now, you can ask guys.
Hi, Maja, this is Shrikar.
Yes, Shrikar.
Here, program-wise, I'm good actually, but I'm having doubt here course length, course character. We have uppercase, lowercase. These keywords where we can able to get, or else we have to learn separately on this one.
No. Means where your question is where we are using these methods in real life. That is it. That one.
Yes, and also where we can able to get these keywords, this uppercase, lowercase, and
where we get means, so these are the methods. These are predefined in the backend, means in the Java. If you use these methods, it will convert it automatically in the backend.
Okay.
So in the backend, and one thing, Shrikar, not only for you, for everybody, you need to remember this point. Actually, this is a course, guys. So in this course, we are going to learn each and every point. But in real time, will not use all these methods. So 100% course will not use in real time. Only 20 to 30% course only we use in the real time, because there in the real time we need to create the code based on the functionality, guys, based on the client requirement. For example, if you want to create a string variable, then you need to use this way. Or if you want to execute any drop downs, if you want to execute any tables, at the time we need to use for loops. Like based on your requirement, you need to use these topics. Means not all these topics, guys. What are the topic is required to handle your functionality? Those particular concept only we use in the real time. Not all these classes, means not all these concepts. Yesterday we have discussed about arrays. Day before yesterday we have discussed about data types, right? We will not use each and every concept in the real time. Based on the client requirement, which concept is required, we use those concepts only, Shrikar. Understand?
Yes, understood, Maja.
Cool. Any more questions? Okay. Cool. And the next method is equals method. Very important interview question, guys. Observe carefully, guys. How many variables that I have here? I have course, and I have course 1 as well as I have course 2, right? Now I am going to change it to observe carefully. AUTOMIA. So automation. Do I have, observe carefully, guys, do I have same words in all the variables or not? Do we have same values in all the variables or not? Words. Each and every word is common, right? Each and every character is common, right? Is it same or not?
Yes.
So here also we are using automation. Here also we are using automation. Here also we are using automation. Testing. Now interview question, my important interview question, guys. Equals method. What equals method will do? Why we are using equals method? We are using equals method to verify whether two variables have the same value or not. So equals method is used to verify two variables or two string objects have same value or not. So here each and every character is same and each and every word is same, but the characters, both the characters is not in same format. That means here A is capital but here A is small, right, guys? character is same, but the ASCII value is not same. Means here it is capital A and it is small a. Means equals method will verify the character ASCII value in the back end. So small a and capital A is not same. Even the character is same, but the ASCII value is not same. It will return false if you verify these are two variables. Let me show you guys. See here system.out.println course. See here course dot equals ignore case course 2. I am using course 2 here. Course here. My characters, each and every character is same in course and course 2. It will return true here. But if I use course 1 instead of course 2 here, it will return false because characters are same, but the ASCII values are not same. Because in ASCII values, small a is starting with 65 and capital A is starting with 97. So here the characters are same, but the character and ASCII values are different. So that is the reason it will return false here, guys. So let me show you that one as well. So here, if you use equals method, not equals ignore case, my equals method. So equals method will verify the character. Both variables should contain same character and the same ASCII value. Otherwise, it will return false. Otherwise, it will return false here, guys. So true. So let me execute. Are you able to see, guys? So because here the character, everything is same in both the variables, that is the reason it is returning true. But here the ASCII values is not same, that is the reason it is returning false. Are you able to understand, guys? Are you able to understand, or do you want me to repeat? Are you there? Am I able to hear me? Am I
Yes,
audible?
yes, Himachal.
So equals method will compare each and every character. The character should be same, not in small letters, guys. What is the character that we have in first variable? The same character should be available in second variable as well. At the time it will return true, otherwise it will return false. But apart from equals method, we have equals ignore case as well. No? Equals ignore case method will not verify the ASCII values, guys. So it will only verify the character. If the first character and the first character in first variable and the first character in second variable and the second character in first variable and the second character in second variable, it will just verify the variable characters. If the characters are same in both the variables, then it will return true. Then it will return true. Let me execute, guys. Let me show you. Are you able to see the difference between equals and equals ignore case method? Yes or no?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So equals will compare the character along with the ASCII value. If everything is same, then only it will return true, otherwise false. But equals ignore case, it will not verify the ASCII value. It will only verify the character. If character is available, both characters are same in both the variables, it will return true. It will return true. Any questions as of now in these methods? Any questions as of now in these methods? Anyone? Okay. And the next method is contains method. Now observe carefully, guys. And the next method is contains method. So here I am going to use contains method. So its contain is nothing but here contains method. Observe carefully, guys. Contains method. So here I am verifying whether my variable is containing the respective characters or respective word. See here, I am copying this particular word here. So observe carefully, guys. So here our variable is containing this particular word, right? Right or wrong? So we have testing word in our variable, right? Right or wrong, guys? Guys, are you following me?
Yes, Himachal. Yes.
So here our variable contains ION as well, right? Contains ION characters as well. So if our variable contains these particular characters, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. No? See here guys, so here I am going to add speaker here. Do we have speaker word or do we have speaker characters in our array, I mean in our string? No? Do we have speaker in our string? No, right? We don't have these characters, it will return false. But we have testing as well as we have ION, it will return true. No? Let me execute. Are you able to see guys? If the characters are available in this variable, in this course variable, it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. Otherwise, it will return false. Are you able to understand, guys?
Yes, yes.
Yes. So let me create another new class, guys. I'm going to copy this one. I'm going to paste it here. So strings method part 2. So now I'm going to delete everything here, guys. Okay. And the next method is concatenation method. What we'll do with the concat method. So if you want to add any characters to your variable, we need to use concat method. No? So let me add concat method. Before that one, let me show you what is the value that we have. So later on, I will add concat method. See here, guys, observe carefully. So course dot concat, course dot concat of automation testing. So just I am adding course, guys, course characters. So I am adding course characters along with space to our course variable. No? So let me show you this one. Concat method is used. Concat method is used to add characters to our variable value. To our variable value. Are you able to see, guys?
Yes, yes.
So here we are adding the respective characters to our course using concat method. And the next method is starts with method. And the next method is starts with method. Here I am going to use starts with. So here our variable is starting with automation, right? I am going to use auto, starts with auto. So if our variable starting with auto, it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. Now see here, guys. I'm going to copy this one as well. So here starting with, observe carefully. No? Here is it starting with, for example, let me show you the name. So here, is it starting with Lakshmi or is it starting with Auto? Is our variable starting with Lakshmi or is our variable starting with Auto? Which one is true and which one is false here, guys?
The second one is false.
First one.
Because here it is not starting with Lakshmi, so it is starting with auto. Because here our variable is starting with auto. So let me execute this one. Are you able to see the output?
Yes.
Yes. And the next method is ends with method. And the next method is ends with method. Same like the starts with, we have ends with as well. No? So carefully, guys. Same like starts with, we have end with as well. So here our variable is ending with ing, right? So I am going to use ing here. I am going to use ing here and here ending with, see here. So here ends with Narendra. So is our variable ending with Narendra? Is our
No,
variable
no.
ending with Narendra?
No.
So that is the reason it will return false here. That is the reason it will return false here. For the first one, it will return true here. See here, guys. Are you able to see? Are you able to see the output?
Yes.
First, the line number 30 is ending with ing, so that is the reason it is returning true. But the second, the 31st line is not ending with Narendra, so that is the reason it is returning false. Any questions? Any doubts? As of now, no questions. Okay, cool.
Mm.
Yes, next method is very important, guys. The most important interview question is substring. So we have two ways to verify substring, guys. Let me copy this one. Here, substring method. So substring. So why we are using substring means if you want to print a characters from an index. So if you don't want to print each and every character in your variable, if you want to print a characters from the respective index, so at the time we'll use substring. See here, guys. So I am using 6 here. So what it will, how it will print here, how it will execute here based on the index. So it will print the characters starting from 6, guys. Starting from 6 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will remove from here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will print the characters from T to G, guys. From T to G. And let me copy this one and let me paste it here. If I use P here, it will print the characters from third index, 0, 1, 2, 3. So here it will print the characters from O to Z. So let me execute. Are you able to see the output, ma? If you want to print the characters from respective index, we need to use substring method. Substring of, here we need to pass the index, guys. What is the index that you have used? It will print the characters from the respective index. Understand?
Yes.
Yes. So let me copy this one as well. The next method. So not method is next way of using substring. So here instead of starting string, we can use the ending index as well. So for example, I am using 12 here. So what are the characters that will print? It is an interview question. I need to remember. It will starts with the 6th character, 6th index, but it will ends with 12 minus 1 means 11th index. So it will print from 6th index to 11th index only, means from T to T, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It will only print T, small t to capital T, guys, because ending means, so here it will calculate the length here. 12 means 12 minus 1, it will only print 11 index. See, if you print here 3, 10, it will print 3 to 9 only, means it will print from O to N only. O to N only. Let me execute and show you guys. Are you able to see the output? It is little tricky, but it is very important, guys. Are you able to see the output? It will start with the start index, but it will end with index minus 1. Index minus 1, guys. Understand?
Yes, got it, Imita.
Any questions or any doubts as of now?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Actually, yeah, we have already starts with index 0, right? Then why we will take again 12 minus
Why we are using?
like from why we will take 12 minus 1?
No, 12 minus 1 means actually it will follow index order, right, ma? The index is starting from 0, right?
Yes, ma'am. That is what from starting itself we have already taken we will follow that index, right? It starts with 0. Then
Yes.
again, why we can take 12 minus 1?
So why it is taking means here it will calculate it as a character, ma, not index, guys. Understand? So here, let me show you. See here, ma, returns a string that is a substring of the string. The substring begin at specific begin index and ends to the character. Are you able to understand? Not the index, character. It will consider second one as a character. That is the reason it will convert the character at index minus 1. End index minus 1. Are you able to understand?
Yeah.
So it will consider this as a character. So 12th character, that is the reason 12th character is nothing but 11th index, right? That is the reason it will print like this. I mean, it will work, it will behave like this. Understand? Okay. And the next method is the replace method. If you want to replace any character or if you want to replace any word, you can replace. So you can replace, guys. See here, we have replace method. So let me copy this one. See here, course dot replace. We need to provide the old character and we need to provide the new character as well. So here, for example, I have CMO, I have two T's, right? Observe carefully. I have T's, right? I'm going to change this small t to capital T. So here, 2. I'm going to change it to replace. I'm going to change. Observe carefully. The old character with new character. So I'm using small t. Observe carefully, guys. Small t to capital T. So I'm just modifying. So small capital T in the place of small t, guys. Let me execute here. Are you able to see? Each and every small character, small t, is replacing with capital T. So here in our variable, we have 3 small t's. See here, this one and this one and this one. So each and every character is modified with capital T. Are you able to see?
Yes.
Are you able to see or not, guys? We are replacing old value with new value. So we have replace method. By using replace method, we can replace any old value with new value. Any new value, old value with new value. So here we can use for loop as well, guys. So yesterday we had discussed about for loop, right? So we can use for loops here as well. So let me show you for loop here. See here, guys. I'm going to copy this one here. Observe carefully. I'm going to copy this one here. And here just I'm going to modify it. So I'm going to use course here. Course dot length method. I'm using length method here. Here. Observe carefully, guys. Course. Observe course dot character head of I. Just we are using character here, guys. So let me execute. Are you able to see each and every character? Automation testing. See here my AUTO automation testing. Are you able to see?
Yes, yes.
So we can able to see, we can use for loops, we can execute for loops here as well. We can execute for loops here as well. And we have only 2 methods left, guys. Let me copy this one and let me paste it here. Part 3. This is the very, very, very important question. That is nothing but compare to. That is nothing but compare to method. See here, compare to also behaves like equals method only. But in equals method, if both the strings are not same, at that time it is returning false. If both the strings are same, if the both string variables are same, it is returning true, right? But in compare to method, if both the variables are same, it will return 0. It will return 0. Let me show you, guys. So system.out.println course dot compare. See here, course dot compare to course 2, because we have each and every variable, each and every character is same in both the course and the course 2, right, guys? Here, each and every character is same in both course and course 2, right, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
So it will return 0, guys. It will return 0 here. See here, ma'am? It is returning 0. Are you able to see here, guys? It is returning 0. So if both the both the variables contains different value or the characters are not same, at the time it will return either positive or negative number. So we're not sure what number it will return exactly. It will return either a positive value or it will return a negative value. See here, so I'm executing this one. Are you able to see the positive value here? No? Some positive number, some 32 kind of thing. So let me change here, guys. Let me change here. A7, A6, 7, 8. Are you able to see the same number, no? 32?
Yes,
right?
yes. Yes.
Yeah, let me remove A here, let me remove testing as well. Because the numbers are here, the numbers may different, guys. Are you able to see 32 or which number are you people seeing here? Is it 32 or is it 10?
-10.
-10, right? Because we don't know which value it will return. If both the variables are same, it will return 0. If both the variables are not same, it will return a positive or negative number. Understand? So same like this, we have compare to ignore case as well. We have compare to ignore case as well. Let me show you this one, guys. Compare to ignore case as well. And see here, automation testing. And see here, compare to ignore case, it will behave like so. Here, compare to ignore case behave like equals ignore case. It will not verify the ASCII values, guys. It will only verify the character. If both characters are same, if both characters are same, course dot course 2, the course dot course 3. If both the characters are same, it will return 0 only, guys. It will return 0 only, same like equals ignore case. Are you able to see, guys?
Yes,
Are you
yes.
able to see 0? So let me add course 1 dot course 2 as well, just for your reference, guys. Run as Java application. It is returning some negative value. So here, if both the values are same, here also it will return 0. If both values are not same, at the time, it will return either a positive or negative number. We'll not sure which number it will return. So we will not sure every time it will return -32, I mean +32, every time it will return -32. So we will not sure about that one. We will not sure about that one. See here, course 1 dot compare to course. So now I am verifying with the course with course. Course 1 with the course. Observe carefully, guys. Is it returning same number? No, right? It is returning different number, right? -42 or +42. Are you able to see here, guys?
Yes, yes.
So here, if both the values are same, in compared to, it will return 0. If both values are not same, either it will return a positive or it will return a negative value. It is interview question, guys. Remember this point.
Then what is the difference that between compared to and compared to ignore case, ma'am? Like,
Compare, that is the reason. See here, let me copy this one. See here, guys. Course and course 2 is same. Course and course 3 is same or not? Course and course 3, do we have same values here, no? Same characters here?
yes.
Hey, same characters. Same characters.
No, not there.
No, because here it contains capital A, it
Capital A
contains
and
small
small
a,
a.
right? Right? If I execute here, are you able to see 0 here, no? Like this? Course with course 3. Are you able to see 0 here or are you able to see any number?
It is showing like something minus value.
Yeah, because compare to is same like ignore equals method. So here compare to is same like equals. If both the characters are same, mean both ASCII characters are same, it will return 0. Otherwise, it will return some positive or negative number. But equals ignore case, same like equals ignore case. Compared to ignore case, it will not verify the ASCII value. It will only verify the character. Understand?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Sure.
Yes. So these are the methods. These are the few commonly asked interview methods. So I have covered each and every method, guys. So if you have any questions, you can ask me. Are you able to understand? Is it clear for everyone?
Yes, clear, Maja. I'm having one query. Right now, what you said, we are understood. I'm understanding. But in practice time, if we get any doubts, we can have a discussion session in one time, anytime like that.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, yes.
Any
Because
weekends, not weekdays.
yes.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, that's why, because in right now in this session we can able to understand each and everything. In practice only we may get so many doubts. So that I'm just asking.
Yes. At the time, do one thing, Srikar, just note down all the questions. For each and every day, we have 10 minutes Q&A, right? So
Yes, yes.
like you can ask in the time as well, or if you have more doubts. So at the time, you can ask, we can schedule a call, 1 hour call or half an hour call, so that we can discuss there as well.
Yes, 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 because right now I'm having one project delivery this month, this weekend. So
Okay.
I will start course of the Sunday like that.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, yeah.
Sure.
Yes, yes. Thank you much.
Yeah. Guys, if you people are available tomorrow, so I will take class tomorrow, guys. Same time. If you are available, because we have missed one class in this, I'm like Wednesday, because I'm not well at the time. So I like we have release on that day. So like I slept around 3:30 a.m. in the morning. So if you are okay, if you are available, we'll take. Otherwise, we'll continue from Monday, guys. Okay.
We're going to temple on tomorrow, Tirupati.
Yeah, sure. No issues. No, we'll
Today
continue
night.
from Monday. Okay.
Maybe everyone is fine.
Yeah, we can continue on Monday much because tomorrow I am also going somewhere.
Yeah, sure. No issues. Just I'm asking, guys. If you are available only, then I will take. Otherwise, I will not.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. So if you have any questions, so you can ask.
No, fine.
Okay. Cool. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for joining. Have a great weekend. We'll see you on Monday, same time.
Yeah, thank you much.
Yeah. Thank you all.
Same to
Bye.
you. Yeah, bye.
క్లాస్ చెప్తుంటే ఫోన్ మాట్లాడు